Our esteemed principal, Ms. Shailaja Adhikary. Comments on today's orientation well English.
Thank you, Ryan. Good afternoon to all the parents and guardians. I'd like to welcome all of you to the Parents' Orientation for the academic year 2021-2022. And would like to commend all of you who have found time from their busy schedules to be here this afternoon. The very fact that there are so many of you present here, despite the COVID-19 scare, shows that you place a lot of value on deciding on the right school for your child. As all of you are aware, the modern world poses several challenges for today's children. In order to prepare them for fulfilling life, it is important to shift our focus to an integrated approach of learning and education rather than just focusing on academics. Holistic education based on experiential learning and not merely bookish knowledge can better equip them for challenging situations later in life. That is why we would like our parents to understand what we are attempting at Euroschool. At Euroschool, for the past 11 years, we have been striving to provide a nurturing learning environment with the help of professionally trained and qualified teachers who constantly try latest pedagogies to engage children effectively. At Euroschool, progressive learning is at the best core of our philosophy. Education should be a journey of experiences, building up on each other to help students create and understand new experiences, and that is what we keep trying at Euroschool. For us, the previous academic year, 2021, was challenging, but looking back, we crushed the hurdles with leaps and bounds. We were one of the first schools to introduce online classes for our students. We conducted digital assessment and imbibed a truly complete academic calendar, including CCA classes, events, cultural celebration, to give our students a complete flavor of school at home. And as you can see, we are ready to welcome back students physically on the school campus after a long break of 11 months. I feel that each student at Eurokids is deserving of the possible opportunities, not just in academics, but also experiences such as sports, extracurricular activities, music and arts, and culture. That's why we'd like our parents to make informed choices when it comes to choosing a right school for their children. That is the purpose of today's program, to enlighten parents what progressive education means, how helpful it is to carve a child's future. I'd like to once again thank everyone for their presence and hope that today's orientation would assist you in making the right choice of school for our children. Thank you so much, parents. Thank you so much for helping me out.